So here's the deal. I just set up some automation. And if you guys want to help me test this, you're going to get a super sweet deal on our latest tool. And you can click the link. If you hit see more on this description, you can see a sign up here link. The tool is for scheduling posts to your personal Facebook profile, as well as any groups you're a member of. You don't even have to own the group. It can just be a group that you're a member of. You can actually schedule posts in advance. You could book out a whole month's worth of content to post in different places if you want to. And some cool things like finding content to add to your library. That's getting a lot of good reactions and comments. So you can kind of build a database of ideas. Obviously, you don't want to just repost that stuff. You want to model it, see why it's getting those positive responses, and make similar content. And you can schedule that right to a date in your calendar to go and post that. You can create different labels and tags to kind of manage your posts, so you're not doing too many of the same kind of posts. You're adding some, value posts, some offer posts, engagement posts, stuff like that. And you can map this all out on a calendar, and I can share with you guys kind of how this looks. But basically, go click the link. I already did a demo video of this. So basically, what I want you guys to do is check this out and help me test the automation I set up. So I created an automation. Whenever someone comes through and signs up, it's going to automatically set up their accounts for me and then automatically add them to ActiveCampaign, which is my email autoresponder. And it's going to tag them with whatever plan they went with. And that will create an automation that fires off a welcome message with their login info and the link to the tool on the Chrome store. So if you guys want to check that out, you can come here. This is the video. I walked through, pretty much all the features that we have so far. They're amazing. You can check out some screenshots here to kind of see what it looks like as well. And I have kind of the features right here. But once you're ready, click sign up, fill out this info. You can see you just need first name, last name, email. Then you're going to pick a plan. So right now, these are super discounted. You guys can get the monthly plan for $17 a month. You can go annual for $120 a month, and you can get a lifetime license for $197. So if you buy that, there's no future payments at all. It's just yours to keep, and we'll continue to build this out. If anything goes wrong, we're going to fix it. We got a full development team behind this. So we'll be continuously updating this, improving this for you guys, and would love some feature requests from you as well. If you guys think we could add something cool to this, let us know. But with these two options here, the monthly and annual, if you sign up for either one of these, you guys are going to get access to the legendary lead software that's going to be coming. I'm working on this over the next 6 months. I kind of already talked about it on another video on my profile. If you want to check that out, or go to YouTube, you can check it out there. But that's what I'm focused on for this next 6 months. I kind of committed to building out my flagship software, and I'm going to be focusing on one specific niche, but the tool will work for any niche. That's just going to be my focus, to build out the best tool that I can for one niche. And after 6 months, I'll reassess if I want to branch out from there or go even deeper. But yeah, so it's going to be more expensive than $17 a month when I launch that. And if you guys want to jump into this tool, just in anticipation of the new software, or you think this tool is going to be useful for you to be able to schedule posts to your personal Facebook profile, there's tools like Hootsuite that can do this to pages, but there's very few tools, if any other ones, that can do this to your personal profile. So it's pretty useful. You'll see this calendar view and all your different post types on the calendar here once you get this up and running. You guys can check the demo video out, like I said, on this page where I walk through actually setting this up front to back. So go check that out. And if the automation works like it should, once you sign up, you're going to get all your login details. You'll get the link to the Chrome store, and you'll help me knowing that it's working. I did run it through it in test mode, and it was working okay. And now I've set it to live. So appreciate you guys checking this out. I'm going to leave this up on my wall for Friday. If any night owls are on, you can try this right now. I'll also be posting it on YouTube and LinkedIn and stuff like that. So feel free to jump in, lock in that pricing for this tool and the new one when it launches. And I'll check you guys on the other side. If you do sign up and you have any issues, or if it works for you, either way, let me know, and we'll go from there. That being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Catch you on the next one.